Hello, let's look at how to create random groups of respondents in one-click survey. This function is useful when we want one part of the respondents to get the first set of questions, another part the second set of questions, the third set the third, etc. In this way, we can also shorten the questionnaire without giving up any questions. Random groups can also be set only for individual questions or answers. We have an example of a survey with 3 sets of different questions, where we want 2 sets to appear randomly among respondents. We want half of the respondents to be shown the first set and half the second set, and the third set should be shown to everyone. To have a better overview over the questions, we can choose Collapsed, one line, Preview. From the left menu bar, we then transfer the if condition before the first question, which will be in the first set, and move end if after the last question, which will be in this set. We also transfer the if before the first question, which will be in the second set, and move the end if after the last question, which will be in the second set. We set the random group in the condition editor. In the drop-down menu, we select the Random Groups option. Then we determine the number of random groups. In our case, we want 2. After that, we determine which random group gets this set of questions, in our case group 1, and close. We repeat the process for the second set of questions. The only difference is that here we choose group 2 because we want this set of questions to be given only to the second random group. The random group is determined based on the respondent's record sequential number. If we have 2 groups, the respondents with the sequential odd numbers get the questions for the first random group, and the respondents with the even numbers, the second random group. In the tab Data, Browse, we can adjust the display of data and display only respondents who were in a certain group. We move to Filters, select Conditions, and create a new profile. For example, if we want to display only those respondents who were in the second random group, we select Random Groups in the drop-down menu, then select Group 2 and click Run the selected profile. By setting this filter, we also limited the data export and the display of analyses and charts only for the second group. If we want to display the data for both groups again, we remove the filter by clicking on the trash can icon. This was the process of creating random groups in one-click survey.